Everyone know we have a lot of shortfall when it comes to development, especially in the government infrastructure. So that's what we are here for. So that shortfall, I don't know. I mean, there is a policy lacking also. We lack certain policy. That's why we are seeing the situation now. So every department, those who are present here, I mean, I don't know whether all the departments are present today, but surely I can see medical, I can see water resource, I can see other departments also, education, I can see government college. So there are a lot of departments. We are planning also. So if you could be kind enough to let us know about your problem, so we will take it further. And I expect Niti Aayog to be generous to our district at least. And later on, if there is anything from their side, any kind of gap funding or something would be provided from the Niti Aayog side, will be gracious. I mean, we'll be very grateful to them for that also. So thank you, and I give time to the line departments also now to brief, to give a briefing on the 5 SWG resources, lack of resources related to generation of revenue. I mean, challenges like revenue generation, etc. They are also there. So Niti Aayog not only should help the government in improving the infrastructure, but they should also help the government in maintaining and increasing the level of resources in the state. They should help the state devise a mechanism so that the state becomes self-sufficient, self-sustainable in financial matters, in policy matters. There has to be some kind of capacity building. So that kind of intervention we seek from the Niti Aayog. There are some lacunas in implementation of policy at the departmental level. I think Niti Aayog also has to highlight that to the state government, and the role of the HODs in the district as well as the district administration, which has not been, I mean, the role has not been assigned, or we have not utilized the services of the HODs and the district administration to the fullest. So I think this is time that more responsibility and authority must be given to the field functionaries. There has to be some kind of decentralization of the powers, and because over the years we have seen the centralization of power. Everything is being decided sitting in Kohima while they are not aware of the ground realities. That should not happen. So I think that kind of suggestion we should pass on to the state government, especially in very schemes like NEC, donor. There is no say from the district side. Minority affairs, tribal affairs, tourism. Absolutely no say. That should not be the case. And even for the CSS schemes also, there is very little say for the HOD also. So CSS schemes are not being implemented the way they should be, and potential for development, that's how there is a lot of potential for improvement and development through this CSS schemes.